Dito ako nakakita ng ano, mahogany. Ayan ang mahogany, oh. Ang laki. Tapos ayun pa. Mayroon pa doon malaking mahogany. Ito may maliit dito. May nakita akong post sa Facebook na ang mahogany daw ay harmful na tree. Sabi sa post doon sa Facebook. Hindi ko alam bakit naging harmful ang mahogany tree. At sa comment section nabasa ko doon na nagkaka-acidic daw ang lupa dahil sa mahogany tree. So harmful daw yan. Paano na yan? Ang dami-daming mahogany dito sa lupain ko. Anong gagawin na dyan? Oh my God, my gold. Ah, ha, ha, my gold. May gold din, oh. Gold. Oh. Ayos, ah. Kita ako ng gold, oh. No. Gold yan, di ba? Oh. Yes, I found gold. Woohoo. Yan. No. Gold yan. Oh yes. It was unexpected that I found a gold. You see that? And ilalim ng puno ng mahogany. 3 puno ng mahogany. Hindi, 4 na puno ng mahogany. Sa baba, nakakita ako ng gold. Ayan, no. Naghanap lang ako ng mahogany na maliliit. Kasi tatanim ko. Wala akong nakita. Mayroong mga bunga doon na tumutubo. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Anong mga puno. Pero pakiramdam ko mga puno yun na mga magaganda, mga beautiful. Yes, katulad ng aking mga followers. Oh, ayan mga followers. So, nakita ako ng gold. Oh. So, let's see kung gold. Try natin sa pawn shop. Okay. So, there's a big tree over there. Yeah. That's a big tree. It's not that fancy. The big tree over there. Huh? You see that big tree over there? Some people see the big snake is there. Snake like size of the legs of the human being. So I don't know if it's true that there's a big snake on that giant tree over on my back. So I don't know. Still I don't see a snake in this area. So I wish I can see a snake in this area so that I will kill the snake. My first time I killed the snake, but there is no snake in the area. So now I'm going home. Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful over there. You see? Oh. It's beautiful. It's just people planting the, vegetable there. There's kamuti. Oh, also banana here. Too many banana. Yeah. Today I think the time is 11 o'clock in the morning. It's very, very hot. Oh. Oh my god. There's a lot of big tree over here. You see? Hey, look at those. This is jackfruit over there. Yeah. Oh, what is that? It's a first of all tire motorcycle over in the top, and oh, this beautiful jackfruit. Oh my god, so many jackfruit. Okay. No, there is no tree here. Now I'm the area of. It's not mine. It's another people own this land. So my land is over there. Yeah, as you can see that big tree over there. Anahaw also. There is anahaw and mahogany over there. Yeah, that is my land, and this area is not my land. So I always passing this way, going to the road. Okay, then I will go home. Yeah guys, thank you for watching. Please follow and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.